dreams that you could don't do skid you don't do skid you want don't do skid.
Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you multi
Nee hoor, satellite budget. Well, what would that
link
be?
in the description. Click
Dat is allemaal hartstikke goed.
draw the
Wat zeg jij
file
nou?
to your desktop,
Wat zeg jij?
then open
Ga echt
it,
zo doen. Wat zeg jij dan?
and then
Wat zeg jij dan, Joe? Het
Kom
haast van
to
één
me.
mooi rustig eten. Wat moet je halen wat je zegt?
just place
Jij begint wel zelf maar. Ja, jij begint. Ja, ze haalt het zelf aan. En zij gaat schreeuwend.
you can remove those bars if you like to. So now you're gonna scroll down and paste your title here, the same as here. Alright. Then you're gonna put your name here if you like to.
Je moet wel weten wat er moet uitzien. Wat heb je dat gestuurd naar mij? Huh?
But
Ik ben leuk natuurlijk online.
so here you can replace those tools if you like to. So like here we have putty, we can replace that to botnet, and then make sure that you put a backspace. So this is number 10. Then type go to botnet, and then you can replace all of this, but this is just a quick video, so I'm not going to do that. You can change that all too. So here what you're going to type is botnet, and then botnet.bit, and then go to main, click a save as, and then desktop, and rename it to anything you like, and then put dot and then that, and then click save. Close that, and then you'll get the file, the tool, and then open it. Now you're going to log in. Username is root, password is root, and as you can see, you have here your botnet. If you type 10, if you get the error, you have to draw botnet to your desktop, and then you can retry it, and there we go. Now we just made our own multi-tool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and goodbye.